Today, we're back in the kitchen. Can you guess what we've got going? Find out. So today we're doing brownies. We got 1 cup of butter. I'll be going over the recipe here. We're going to go ahead and let that just melt down. Just 1 full stick. Actually, it's just called for a stick, so I don't know if it's a cup or not. Let that all melt down. Do 2 cups of milk chocolate chips. Get that to melt down. We got the chocolate all done. We're going to go ahead and put the sugars in. So we're going to do 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, and stir all this in. So we're going to take that off the heat. So the heat's off. And then we're going to heat that burner back up, but we need to fold all the sugar in. We'll do 4 eggs into that. At this point, we're going to go ahead and put that back on the heat, stir in the eggs. And this is the first time I've made this, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, turn that heat off. Everything else can be cold. So next we're going to do a little bit of salt. So half a teaspoon of salt. It actually helps with the sweetness, believe it or not. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And then the flour. I'll mix all that up. Mix all that in. And yeah, you can make this from a mix. That's gonna be $8-9 for about 3. Get all flour there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plate that up, and we're going to put that in the toaster oven. And I had a comment about toaster oven. Why actually use a toaster oven when you have a real oven? Well, I covered this in a video before, but we are in the process of moving up to Tennessee, and so we really don't want to invest in fixing the oven again. So, being that we're going to be going off grid-ish, just trying to figure out what the lowest impact can be. And power requirements for a toaster oven versus a big oven, they're huge. Let me do that now. So what I've done is I've actually buttered the ramekins. A little bit of flour in there. Butter this up. So hopefully that answers Rich's question about why the toaster oven. It does have to do with like trying to figure out what's the lowest energy usage I can do for off-grid, because I'll be running off solar here in about probably another year. But also part of it is trying to make do with what you got. But, you know, you make the best scenarios. Like I made some of the best meals that my wife has ever eaten, and she can attest to that. That, you know, in really poor conditions. The chili video that you guys got to see is just like, we ended up doing probably about 6 meals out of that. It cost me about $8. So, let's end up with a short one. And of course the dogs are now in the kitchen, because yeah, we're not in the kitchen anymore. So we're going to go ahead and get that into the toaster oven. We'll be back in about 30 minutes. And licking the spoon is always good. So our brownies are done. Fork of them. Let's just stick them to them. Turn it off and just let it sit. Either 15 minutes, 20 minutes, those things are going to be completely done. Remember, they will continue cooking after you pull them off the heat. So we pulled these out after our baking. They are just absolutely gorgeous. Chocolatey. This is a beautiful thing. So part of the reason that we work with a toaster oven So I'm trying to be the most efficient with our space and our time. Is that toaster oven actually has its time off. That's actually kind of nice. As you see, nothing there. Nice moist brownies. We're going to let these cool and then we'll enjoy these later. Hope this answers your questions. Get off my lawn. Get out of my kitchen. What happened here? What happened here?
Well, you made brownies. Putting them out so that they can cool there, if they'll come out. This one I'm going to cut into because it looks delicious.
Oh,
Look at that.
that's like a milk or an ice cream version.
Totally.
Oh, that is a great brownie. I think that's an ice cream, not a milk.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get you some ice cream.
All right. I'm not mad about that.
Because it makes everything different. You can actually change the flavors of it.
There we go.
May it taste?
It's good. It's hot, but it's very good.
Another win for the toaster oven.